Alrighty, good morning, guys. Looks like the stream is on. So today I wanted to take a bit of a break from writing the game itself and check its performance, because I'm 99% sure that there are issues and they can be improved, and 1% miracle that everything works perfectly. So I'm gonna take some code from my previous sessions. Yeah, I think this map shutter. Yeah, I'm gonna take this part, move it into boids. What else do I need? I think this is it. I'll just adjust it more away for boids. I don't know, maybe even today we're not gonna use it. Maybe we will. Copy. Make file. That's gonna be enough for now. Alright, let me update this. Fish. Okay, so this is we will need to do it next time. Now probably we will need to review both memory and CPU profile, right? For web development, CPU is never the problem, but for this scenario, probably CPU is going to be a big issue. I know that we can add working pool, speed up the process. Alright, so that's the overall plan for today. I'm going to be doing one 90-minute Pomodoro today. So Monday, a bit pressed on time. So let's straight away jump into coding. Let me check my timer. Set it to 90. And let's get going. Alright, probably need to create I need to make something like game. Well, I would assume that this will block and we will never get error. We'll delete main from here. Now we have our game. We will say game.run. And actually we're not gonna take error, just gonna fatal it. Like so. Now we can have clean main and pretty much we can do the test for it, right? Alright. Let's make sure that the game is working. Yeah, all good. Let's do 10 seconds. Condition. Okay, let's do with race and without. Okay, in the game, let's make it 2 seconds now. I'm not sure how the test will stop. Always forget how to write those. Specify files. Well, what? Member file. test will not stop automatically. Let's just look. So the most of the memory is not my code. Yeah. Bytes full.
Concentrate. 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 Concentrate.
Doesn't give me much more information. So we're spending 312 megabytes to write image write pixels. Megabytes here. Okay. Something is broken. expect it to be so memory consuming. So what can be done? Let's roll it here. Let's say frame 1. Let's have just a single frame. Let's adjust our test. Probably need to place this into the routine. Probably not enough. Right. Yes. Yeah, the part I vibe coded yesterday in the end, just to speed up the process, consuming most of the memory. What a coincidence. Okay, I see problem here as well. We're drawing too much in every Alright, but how can we test this stuff? word. Yeah, seems like not much I can do here. So this is a native function. 78 megabytes. This is native as well. I mean, not native. I can't change it. 645. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Part. So I need to understand what are we doing here. I need to do some digging, and I doubt that I'll be able to change anything. Okay, let's have a look at this function. So what are we doing? Image rectangle. Right pixels. Okay, let's go into right pixels. I mean, I won't be able to change anything here, but let's... Okay, this is some validations, and here... Right pixels. Oh. So it just goes on and on. I list it like this. Nope. Can't. How do I do it? Best friend. Melodies. There we go. Doesn't give much information, right? Anyways. Oh yeah, I've seen this function. So actually here we are drawing each pixel. I don't think I can change anything. Okay, this is a bit of beyond my level of expertise. Pretty above and before each frame, so I don't understand it. Gets replaced. Literally, the buffer is right there. Okay. Right, this feel like a bit of a waste of time. Not sure if it can be improved. Should I use GIF at all? Okay. It just returns raw. Okay, GIF player, GIF, hit and draw. HD. And this for a second. Okay. I don't know if I should try to understand it. Probably yes, just for the sake of it. Um, right, let's trust the eye. Who's this one? Once again, it's a bit of a how to handle GIFs. Something I've never done. And to be honest, don't feel like diving into that right now. I got the gist of it, right? So we create one image, we preload it, and we update it instead of doing this every single time. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, GIF is broken now. Alrighty. Well, okay. I don't know. I don't feel like doing this. But okay. This is gonna be a separate part about... okay, let's see if it actually improved anything. Just for the sake of it. Right pixels, still the highest. Oh. Yeah, nothing changed. Okay. Let's actually look at... Yeah, let me look one more time at memory. So drawing GIF is the highest memory consumer. Otherwise in my code, really nothing. Alright, it's all zeros. So new RGB, this is the highest. Okay. This is good and bad. I don't know how to fix it. And the good is that in our code, nothing is so far leaking. Let's look at CPU. Alright. Here I have my code, right? Because mass power is what we are doing. Alright, we're spending tons of time in mass square root. Yeah, this is CPU killer. Okay. 20. What else we have here? So we need to think about let's play to this. Okay, this is I don't know. GIF handling. Don't know if I need to learn it, but in CPU. Right? Let's go. Let's go with problems. What else we have here? Memory move, no. Draw RGB, no. We won't do anything with that. Compress, decode, reader. Cgo call. We're calling Cgo here. Interesting. So I assume it's Epidem. Yeah. Then we're writing pixels. Calculate acceleration. Let's look at our function. Alright, so the highest memory consumer is when we go in over all boids, right? All our fish, and calculate distance to other fish. So can we not do that often? Probably yes. Okay. Let's write it down. Well, it's the same problem, right? Okay. Let's go 10 at top 20. Math normalize. Yeah, so pretty much everything is related to me squaring and taking root. And the rest is just insignificant. Okay. In the game, let's revert back all the stuff. Should have made a commit. out actually into a different branch. We are calculating distance to each void. And how much memory we consume per row? We are consuming 6709 megabytes. Right, so first of all, in the game, I think we can still no, it's in the void. When we draw here, right? We can definitely do this in advance, not calculate image bounds. Like scaling on this calculation can be definitely done differently. Okay, let's do this. We will create a new file. this.
This feels, it's very soft. Very soft.
Nothing changed here. Let's see. I have to run the test one more time. Yeah, pretty much nothing changed. No, nothing changed at all. You check the CPU profile because that's the let's think about distance. Do we have an option not to calculate here distance? Probably not really. You can only reduce the number of boids we calculate distance to, because right now I'm calculating distance from each boid to each boid. How can this be reduced? We have a square like this. What if I will split it? Right, like so. Cells. We have our guy here. So he's gonna be options we can have guy here, guy here, guy here. Oh dude, I can white. He's here. I can check this cell and this cell and this cell, for example. Right. So we have, if he's here, I can check these neighbors. I don't need to check these guys. If he's here, I need to check 5 neighboring cells, right, for example. So here 3 neighbors, here 5, here again 5, here 3, and my own, so 4 in total. So here 6, at least these 3 we are not checking. Once again, all of this, should we check all of that or just this way? Okay, but anyways, yeah, this will definitely improve performance, and we can use worker pool for that, right? So we will have some kind of zones. Each zone will be a separate coroutine. We check here, we check here, we check this one. If we are here, okay, if we are in a center, then we need to check everything. Or we ignore center and whoever, no, we cannot ignore center. Okay, let's for now just add worker pool. So how much memory we have right now? We have 737. And let me just use R. With our top CPUs, yeah, let's go. Okay, let's copy this stuff. See if we are actually changing anything. Great. So how can we do this? I'm wondering if we can... No, we can't pre-calculate this stuff. Can we pre-calculate all of that as well for the image? Oh yeah, we need to rotate. Scaling can be done, translate can be done. Nope, we can't do this. We can't do those two. Okay, we can't do that. I wonder which one is the problem. This stuff. I'll just reuse the same ones. And we'll use at least the same struct. Nope, that's the problem. Okay. So, our game. Think about it. So we will have workers. What do we need to do? Workers. And we will have some kind of job channel. We will need to send response. What can we pre-compute? We can compute in parallel. Void calculate acceleration. So actually, I think the entire calculate acceleration can be done, right? Yeah, we are calculating all the accelerations. Great. So the entire Calculate acceleration should be done in goroutines and workers. So we'll have the correct routine. Alrighty. Send response pointed to routine. Job, what will job accept? Just an I. Right, we will need a wait group, VG. Okay. Just writing a plan for myself. Jobs ch. This will be channel of integer and will be of yeah, this did. Acceleration, this will be channel of pointer reflected theme. Should be pointer, probably yes. So for each core, we will start a goroutine. In this goroutine, we will range over our jobs channel, and we will get an ID of the boid. What do we do here? Boid. Okay, can we have a concurrency issues? Maybe. But let's think about it a bit later. So we are reading. This is fine. Now acceleration will be calculate acceleration. Provide G. So we have acceleration. And then G acceleration channel, we will send just this acceleration like that. And this is pretty much it. Obviously we'll need to add some kind of cleanup for that later on. So what do we do in acceleration? Do we update anything? So we will get race condition. We calculate distance. This is just read. This is read. Yeah, we are only reading other voids, right? New vector, right? We're getting new vector, others position. We are only reading them. This is good. So we should not have any race conditions. Now we are getting acceleration and now in update. How are we gonna do this? Alright, I feel like I need to add a wait group as well. This will be make int and voids count. The same for acceleration. The only thing, this will be vector 2D, and it will be of the size of boid's count, right? Can't be larger. And G. Now, here we need to say whenever we finish, we do BG done, right? And here BG head. Count. About it. Do we need a wait group? We'll be receiving all accelerations, right? We need to calculate all accelerations. Do we need to do that? How can we do this? I think we need to do this not in update of a specific void. Yeah. Yeah, we need to remove this. We actually don't need acceleration channel. I think we need to a map. Can this create a problem? Or a slice, just a slice, right? What's the problem? Oh, yes. Ice Bear, Unreal. Hey, hey, hey. How are you, man? Oh man, 12 minutes. Yes, sorry. I was focusing on the coding part. What's boid simulation? Well, I can show you literally right now. I can show you. Something like this. When you can see the fish swimming, like the birds, you know, they're like having this kind of flocking movement. So boid is for, I think, bird and android. Some kind of boid, but I don't know, void, because I have fish. But it's called boid simulation. Later on I will add more stuff here, but for now I just wanna look at the performance. So far it's not very productive. I mean, I didn't improve anything yet, but at least we were able to see problematic areas. Something like this. Like trying to make a desktop environment for my Gnomix thing. Well, I won't be able to give you much of an advice here. I'm not familiar with what is Gnomix. Alright. I'm not drawing anything that's interesting. Oh yeah, we're not sending anything. And the workers. Nothing. Where's the bucket? I didn't start. These are jobs. Empty. Okay, now it's supposed to work. button and my keyboard got stuck. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got it. Wrong. Need to send them all. This stuff will be updated. Then we'll wait. And we arrange once again. Now it is on. Good. Let's see. So I had 16 FPS with 600 boids. Let's see how it's going to be different. Okay, it is 30 now. Plus we are logging stuff, so we doubled the FPS. Okay, 25, 24. So workers already improved FPS by a lot. Let's see if logging problem. Oh wow, without the console log it's already 80, above 80 FPS. Became way smoother. Alright, workers improved FPS tremendously. Also, my fish is swimming upside down sometimes. I need to figure out how to fix that. They're more climbed up now. I feel like they are. Okay. Let's maybe reduce cohesion force and increase separation force. Okay, the game can be improved. Anyways, the FPS went from 15 to 80, 85. I know you guys, you can see probably. Just so adding workers already worked out. The next thing is to add this kind of logic, right? When we gonna check only the neighbors. We test our main. Obviously let the test run for a bit longer. Right, so mass PO is the highest one, right, and vector distance is the highest. So we need to calculate distances as little as possible. I don't know if I calculate distance to a void from here to here, or at least within the same cell. Or what if my boy is somewhere here on a border? Not here, not here. Yeah, well, he will be somewhere. One or the other place. Okay, I'll need to think about it, how to implement this logic when my guy is here and I need to check just neighbors. What should I do in the center? Check everything anyways? Or should I just assign worker this specific cell and check just only this cell? Should he interact with the neighbors? Or should I just make this cell so big that it will essentially be everything this guy should know about and not check the neighbors? Probably that's the way to go. Instead of having this cell, it will be like this, one huge cell. But then the cells will not interact with each other. Okay, I'll need to play around with that. Alright guys, for today I'm gonna be wrapping it up because I have a lot of work. Anyways, we spent some time off on optimizing GIFs, and honestly it didn't work out, and I don't know if I want to understand how it works, maybe at some point, but right now, yeah, I just took a look at it, and yeah, it's not that important, but overall, workers radiating performance, and yeah, other things can be improved as well. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye bye.